Did you know that you don't have to rely on any friends or any family member in the UK for you to get a job offer? Also, you don't have to contact any UK employers. The great thing about this route is that you can bring your children, spouse, or common law partner with you. They will be given separate visas. You can even apply for residency after 5 years in the UK, and you can apply for British citizenship after 6 years. Hi guys, welcome to Next Step Immigration. Watch this video to the end to get the details about the UK self-sponsorship visa. For most business owners and investors who wish to either launch a new company in the UK or purchase an existing one, this route is the ideal option. You might be able to find additional employment or another position that fulfills your job classification while you are on your visa. In this video, you will discover how to establish a business in the UK, how to apply for a sponsorship license for it, what paperwork you'll need, and the exact procedures you must follow. Additionally, you'll discover the advantages, all the prerequisites, the startup costs, and instructions for sponsoring yourself to the UK. What is the UK self-sponsorship route? The skilled worker visa category includes the self-sponsorship entry route to the UK, which enables you to establish or run a business there and employ yourself as a skilled worker. Through this procedure, a foreign national can relocate to the UK to work for their own firm without needing to find a different UK sponsor, on top of the business that they establish there. If your application for a self-sponsorship visa is accepted, you may use it as a foundation to apply for permanent residency or even British citizenship for you and your family. This is the greatest category to fall under if one wishes to launch a business in the UK. There are no rigid restrictions on the kind of business that may be operated in the UK, and you are allowed to own up to 100% of a UK firm and serve as its managing director. You are free to start any legal business in the UK, including a coffee shop, restaurant, recruiting agency, advertising agency, software company, etc. How much capital investment would you need? The best feature of this pathway is that there is no minimum financial investment necessary for the company to be eligible, unlike the Innovator Visa, which demands a minimum capital investment of at least £50,000. You may even own shares of your company yourself. The reason for this is because, as a business owner, you must determine how much money you believe is necessary to operate the enterprise you have in mind in the UK. The amount might be £15,000 or £15 million. Everything is subjective and will rely on the type of your company. How does the self-sponsorship visa work? Simply said, it is possible to start a business in the UK, obtain a sponsor license for it, and then sponsor oneself as a skilled worker for it. Setting a shop in the UK is the first step. On the official UK government website, you can discover comprehensive instructions on how to set up and register your business. You can register as a partnership, a limited company, or a sole proprietor. The next stage is to get a sponsorship license, which will enable your recently founded business to sponsor an overseas employee for a skilled worker visa. As this foreign employee, you will essentially be employing and paying yourself an income in the UK. You will essentially be hiring yourself to work for your own business. You may be one of the main owners in your UK company, and as previously said, the job title may range from Managing Director of Operations to any other appropriate position. The Home Office typically takes 6 to 8 weeks to make a decision about your sponsorship license. What documents will you need? A minimum of 1-month business bank statement, a copy of a lease, freehold, or tenancy agreement, a liability insurance certificate with a minimum cover of £5 million, account office reference letter from HMRC, the UK's Revenue and Customs Authority, a copy of your regulatory approval, your health and safety star rating for food businesses, a VAT certificate if you are a registered entity, and your signature are all required to obtain a sponsorship license. You must supply a minimum of 4 of the 7 papers listed above. You can move on to the last step, which entails hiring yourself or employing yourself in your own business, and applying for a skilled worker visa for it, using the employment offer you've produced as the foundation of your visa application. Do keep in mind that there are requirements for the position you're taking with your company, including English language proficiency of at least level B1 on the CFR scale, a minimum annual salary of £25,600 or £10.10 per hour, whichever is higher, and a level of education that is at least a bachelor's degree is required. You can apply for a UK residence after 5 years as a skilled worker, and after 6 years for UK citizenship. To be informed about employment and immigration news, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching. Good luck!